Hi, I'm Steve Pitts.
And I'm Mona Saul.
And we're here in Richmond, Virginia for the ESI 2018 Open House. We've had an amazing day, and amazing customers show up to this event.
I'm Terrence Rasco. I'm representing Powhatan County. We came down here to Electronic Systems, ESI. We enjoyed the open house. There were plenty of vendors, plenty of things to do, plenty of technology. Everybody was knowledgeable, and most importantly, they fed me.
So many customers come through with our great vendors, got solutions out there. We're just ready to roll all night.
Hi, my name is Ryan Ernie. I'm with the County of Greensville, the IT Director. This is Jamie Hill. He's the IT Technician for the County of Greensville. We learned a lot, we had a lot of fun, and it was good to meet some new vendors that we didn't know about.
I will definitely come back again when they hold this event. What can I say? If you weren't here, you need to try to make it here next time.